Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. First we're opening colors. Light violet color, stay with us. Persian blue color. Scarlet color, exactly. Kids, the next one is, yellow color. And the next one is cream color. Cream color. The next one is emerald green color, stay with us. Kids, the next one is lavender color. And the next one is pastel pink color. Pastel pink color. Pale pink color. Geranium color. Cool gray color. And the next one is black color. Now we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. First we're using the color of black. And now we draw the alphabet of A. B, C, D, E, F, G. Scarlet color. Now we're using the color of scarlet. H, I, J. And the next one is K for kite. L, M, N. The next one is O. Now we're using the color of yellow color. Stay with us. O, P, Q, R, S, T. Kids, the next one is U. Now we're using the color of light violet color. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. The last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.